5 seconds to go. Start. The appellant Bogai Bouri has been convicted under Section 109 302 of the Indian Penal Code and sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life with fine and default stipulations for the death of Mohammad Hussain alias Farooq. Three other persons were jointly tried for the murder of Mohammad Hussain and convicted under Section 302 and 34 IPC and also sentenced to suffer rigorous imprisonment for life. The prosecution case is that on 8th July 2010, in between 4:30 to 6 pm, Mohammad Hussain alias Farooq of Dakhin Hengera Tea Estate was assaulted by the three other co-accused at the instance of the appellant by means of sharp objects. The place of occurrence was beside the road of line number 6 of the tea estate, where the mutilated body of Mohammad Hussain was found in a ditch. Ezahar, dated 10th July 2010, came to be lodged by Mohammad Rohimuddin Ali PW2, who is the son of the deceased, and the same was registered as Golaghat PS case number 348 of 2010 under section 302 IPC. In course of investigation, the appellant along with the other three accused were arrested, and upon completion of investigation, charge sheet was submitted for committing offence under sections 341, 302, 109, 34 IPC. The case was committed to trial. The prosecution examined as many as 12 witnesses, including the medical officer and the investigating officer. The appellant was examined under section 313 CRPC and was also heard on the point of sentence. Medical evidence brought on record disclosed 6 incised wounds on the neck, lower back, buttock, etc. on the person of Mohammad Hussain alias Farooq. In the opinion of PW4, death was due to hemorrhage and shock as a result of cut injuries caused by sharp weapon. Conviction of the appellant is primarily on the confessional statements made by the other three accused before PW8, who at the relevant time was serving as Judicial Magistrate First Class at Golaghat. The names of the other three accused are the following. As recorded by the court below, there is no direct evidence against the appellant save and except the confessions made by the three accused mentioned above. To what extent the confessional statements marked as Exhibit 7, Exhibit 8 and Exhibit 9 can be made the basis for convicting the appellant having regard to the scope of Section 30 of the Evidence Act as well as the law laid down by the apex court on the issue involved is the primary point for determination in this appeal. From the materials on record, there is no doubt that the confessional statements had been recorded observing the required formalities under section 164 CRPC. The contents of the confessional statements made by the three accused persons above are predominantly the same, where each of them have confessed to the murder of Farooq on having been tempted by the appellant that they will be given a sum of rupees 15,000. However, the promised money was not paid. For better appreciation, the confessional statements of Ranthu Mahili, Dukhiya Karmakar and Saharu Orang are reproduced hereunder. About 1 month back, Bogai Bouri intended to offer us an amount of rupees 15,000 to kill Farooq. Out of the greed for money, we killed Farooq in the tea estate. As Bogai Bouri did not pay us the money after we had killed Farooq, we confess out guilt, as we have committed sin by killing a person and have not been paid the promised money. I have this much to say. Alluring us with money, Bogai Bouri got a person killed by us, but he did not pay us the money after we had killed Sukur. Rantu first hacked in the head of Sukur with a bujali sword. Then I, along with Saharu, inflicted injury to Sukur with a knife. As Sukur died, we lifted his dead body and threw it into a ditch. I have this much to say. Bogai Bouri requested Dukhiya and me to kill a person. As we did not comply to his request first, he promised to pay us an amount of rupees 15,000 for killing Farooq, and as per the version of Bogai, he had old enmity with Farooq. As we are poor, out of the greed from money, we killed Farooq as per the instruction of Bogai. As we were less in number, we took Rantu along. Stop.